We're gonna put this down a little bit. Y'all know how I feel about the shoulders out. I do not like my shoulders out. Hey, my showgirls, ow! So, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe so that you can be a showgirl. So today, I have a secret, and don't worry, it's all good. I cannot wait to share this with you guys. I know you guys are gonna be so, but I do plan on letting you guys know the secret 2 to 3 weeks from now. Enough of all of that. Let's get into this video.
I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater. Wanna see some real ass? Baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low and swing. Texas up in this thing.
Okay guys, so as you can see, I already did my eyebrows off camera. That's what I do. I never do my eyebrows on camera. Just take up too much time. I'm about to apply my oil. You ever see on Instagram the girls be like, I be doing it all the time and I can never do that. Like, I just can't do it. I look so goofy when I try doing it. Okay, so y'all see, I only got 2 nails off. And let me tell you why. I know I'm jumping off the subject. It's like every time I film, it always rains. But anyway, the reason why I have these 2 nails off is because I have to put in my contacts. I be struggling every time I have nails on by putting my contacts in and taking them out. It's a struggle. So I found a secret to it. I'm not gonna put the nails on these 2 fingers. I'm just going to put my nails on after I apply my eyes. And then when I go to take my eyes out, I really know how to take my eyes out with the nails, but I just can't put them in with the nails. I don't know, it's crazy. And now I'm gonna go in with the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist by Tatcha. I love this stuff. This like makes my makeup look so dewy, so luminous, like exactly what it says. I wouldn't use that though if I have like really oily skin, but my skin tends to get really dry. So yeah, no. So now I'm gonna go in with the Bobbi Brown primer. I've been leaning towards this primer a lot lately. At first, I wasn't too fond of it. I'm like, what's all the hype? But yeah, I cannot live without this primer. And I thought I wouldn't like nothing over the Smashbox, but I don't know. This is like neck and neck with the photo finish. I got so much that I put on right before I put on my foundation. So now I'm gonna go in with the NARS, the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I wanna look chocolate today. This is a little bit darker than my Fenty. Oh, I didn't do my eyes first. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I hate putting on my foundation first. So today, out the woodworks, I'm gonna go in with Suede as a highlight. And I'm gonna warm this up on the back of my hand before I apply it. And nope, I'm not gonna do my chin. Remember what I told you in the last video? I'm not gonna highlight my chin anymore because it made me look like a superhero. So I'm gonna blend this out with my fingers. I'm just gonna rub a little bit from off the back of my hand that I used to warm it up and apply that to my eyes. And my beauty blender can be a little bit more damp. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop talking now while filming because it's raining a little bit too hard and you guys will not be able to hear me. So okay guys, so I'm back. It slowed down raining. Okay, so I was talking to my daughter about my retwist videos, and Let me tell y'all something, okay? This isn't a dread channel, okay? I just have to let my lock queens and kings know that, because I do have a lot, okay? A lot of people who subscribe to my channel because of my retwist videos, my lock videos, and I love you guys so much, and I appreciate y'all so much, and y'all go so hard. But this is a beauty channel, you know? I don't have dreads. I don't have dreads. I want dreads. I plan on getting them in the future, okay? But for now, the only type of retwist and lock videos that I can make, I have to ask my boys, I have to ask my husband, you know? And y'all already know, if y'all seen those retwist videos, well, my last retwist video, y'all already know that they're not too fond of getting their hair retwist often, okay? So the struggle be so real trying to get them boys to let me retwist their hair. But I just want you guys to know that. I know y'all waiting for a retwist video. But y'all don't know what struggle I have to go through just to make those retwist videos. I do plan on doing the ACV, apple cider vinegar rinse, on my boys' hair because they never had one. So, and I know they have a lot of product built in, you know, their hair. So that's gonna be an interesting video. So I cannot wait to record that. And I think the boys are actually happy about that one, you know, that particular video. Ooh, it is raining, baby. Put some powder on my eyes. So let me bronze my face. I'm just gonna drag that in. Is it kind of like as a transition-y shade? Rustic, out of the Soft Glam palette. And this right here is just a powder, Laura Mercier powder. Mulberry, that color right there, and apply that directly to the crease. That dark color right there to make it even more darker. I'm just gonna damp my brush before I apply glistening to the inner corners. I'm gonna do glistening and fairy. Matte Mineralized Skin Finish. And I put too much. The Huda Beauty palette. So now I'm going to go in with the MAC Stubborn. I don't think I actually bronzed my face, so I gotta go back and bronze my face with the Mocha Mummy. So now I'm about to set both using the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist and the Mario Badisco. A little bit of under eye makeup, just a little bit of eyeliner. This makeup look is turning out to be so good. Thank you, baby. Now you know you look good when you got the churn saying you look good, because they so brutally honest. Ooh, look at that girl skin. Oh. Go in with a throwback Men Love Mystery by MAC. Child Star to center. Only in the center. So pretty. Ow.
chefs cause she's a trained one.